What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It is now Sunday, very warm, and I have been doing tyres because Levi came down, Hex, who was our tyre guy from Direct Tyre Services. He came down and kind of gave me a rundown on the machine and how to use it, and little tricks and stuff like that. So yeah, we thought we'd jump on, do a quick video of today, in the next couple of days I guess, of fitting some tyres. Got our One Word Glove company gloves on, just to kind of make things a bit easier because I've already jammed my finger and it hurts. So yeah, we're just fitting up some Kendo KR20 AXs onto these Strom wheels, the Strom DS35s. So yeah, we've got a bunch of them over here. Steph's over here unboxing them because it's actually pretty exciting. They look so sick when they're brand new, and then we just kind of go wreck them a little bit. So yeah, this is how they come, nicely wrapped. I might keep those rings and we'll put them on the trailer. But yeah, boy, yeah, everything's sick. So she's just getting them out of the boxes and then putting the valve stems into them, because wheels when you buy them don't actually come like that. You have to actually put the stem in. So we've got the little stem tool came with the tyre machine, which is sick, and we got like a little bucket of the waxy kind of, I don't know, tyre paste or whatever it's called, and we got some valve tools and tyre levers and stuff. So that's sick. Yeah, we're just gonna bang these out. We've got a few more to do, like 4 or 5 maybe. I think we've got a stack of our old rims over there that have hopefully we can kind of sell or whatever, get rid of them. We don't really need them anymore. We'll probably put them on some other cars or whatever. But yeah, everything's good. We're just down here pumping it out, cleaning the Prado out and whatnot. Workshop's pretty tidy. Well, this isn't tidy, but once we clear it all out, once we've done what we're doing, we should be good. So yeah, we're just chipping away here. I can't seem to get those off. These GDRDs seem to be a bit tough, and Hex said that they were, so I'm glad it's not just me. So yeah, we'll carry on and get these done. Alright, so we've got the last one for the day, because we don't have enough of these KR20 AXs. Russ has a couple of them, so we've got a few spare wheels. But last one of the day, give Steph the honours of doing this one. I'll kind of run her through my lack of ability, but she should be right. It's pretty easy to put tyres on. It's taking them off that's a bit of a hassle, I reckon. So I'm gonna chuck her gloves on too, nice and pretty. And then yeah, we'll see how we go. So this one is a driver's side. So the direction needs to go that way. Okay. Yep. So looking at that tyre. Yep. So spin it around. Yep. That's the way it wants to go. Yeah, like that. Yep. That's it. So what you want to do is just push it on there. Yeah, it's a little bit, gets a bit tight, but we can use a bar to get in there. That's it. Keep going. You alright? Yep. Nearly there. Yep, keep going. That's it. Now you're going to see why I'm sweating so much. And the machine's not bolted to the ground, so that kind of makes it not so easy. But we can
help.
Oh, get on there. Watch out, you're going to slip once it goes too far. Hold on, guys. It's a bit shaky. Hang on, I'll grab a bar. So we probably shouldn't be doing this, but
turn the camera off.
That's right. I don't want to do that. That's not very nice. You hold that.
Yep.
There you go. Alright. So now, what you want to do, what Levi told me, is that you want to have the valve close to that, so which is fine. So with your feet, that one we press down, it'll go clockwise. Pull it up, goes anti-clockwise. So what you want to do, that's kind of all good where you want it. So what you want to do is lift the tyre up so that this bit is down, yep, like that. And you want to swing the arm in. We don't have a stopper on there, so what you want to do is have it kind of close to there but not quite on it. And now lift that bar up and it'll lock it. Yep, and now what you want is this bit over this, but this bit under that. So you need the tyre on a bit of an angle. So yep, that's it.
Oh,
and now you want that, yep. So it'll be like in the middle, yep, like that. Okay, so now what you want to do is grab both levers, and you want to keep one here.
The bars.
Yep, grab both the tyre levers. And now you want, use the big one, put it under this lip. Yep. And you want to hold that with your left hand, hold that down. And then with that one, you want to keep that close to there. Oh, hang on, we're running out of air. It's going to get noisy. So just about there. Just got to wait for enough air. So what you're going to do, stand, you want to be able to get to your feet. You need to use your feet down here. So you'll press that one, the left one down, and it'll turn. Keep that one where that is, but this one you're going to have to keep going back closer to this. Okay, so yep. So just go slowly, yep, work, and hold there, yep, go a bit closer to that. And hold this down, I'll hold this, yep. Keep going, work. And now hold it down. You want, use the lever as leverage, so you want to be out here with your hand. And there we go, we have one Strom DS35 fitted with a KR28X Kenda. Bingo. Well done, my love. That was all good, eh? And now she knows how to do them, so she can do the rest. Yeah, so we'll probably put a couple. So there are two, I've got two more tyres with Russell, which will be those two. And then that one and the one she's going to unbox, I'll probably fit up with some 235 half ones that we've got stacked up over there, just in case the Laurel makes an appearance this weekend. Alright, so it is now another day, like fucking a few days on from the last clip, but we're here, we've got the 13, we need to do a, instead of doing like a full service, because it doesn't really need a full service, but we haven't changed the oil filter in a little while, so we've got another one here, just a Ryco filter, which is the same as what we have on there, and then some 300V to just kind of pour in the oil filter before we screw it on. Everything should be fine. We've got a few things to do tonight. This is Wednesday night, so, and tomorrow night I can't be down here, so we've got, it's like tonight's the last night before we leave on Friday. So we've got to like fill up my car with gas, got to pump out some gas out of the drum. There's some E100 in there. Josh Costelli, who lives in Aussie, friend of ours, he that's his drum, and just said I'll buy that off him. So we're going to do that. Got to load up the Laurel's trailer, and then we've also got to load up my car on the trailer. We've got the trailer outside. So yeah, just want to try and kind of finish everything tonight. Is get the tools, get the toolbox full, get the tote bins all full of spare parts and everything, just so we don't have to fucking worry about anything. So yeah, just be chipping away tonight, and yeah, we'll just put this on the trailer. Grant come down last night and gave it a good wipe over, and like it's mint, all the tire marks and rubber marks and shit have come off it, so you can see there, this was all like tire slap and stuff from the victory skid from Shovember, but it's all gone now. But we need to do something about that. It's a bit broken, and like look at this, it's like full ripping off. One more event, girl, hold on, and then we'll give it another little bit of a freshen up. But yeah, right, let's get into it. so we just loaded up this rack because I wasn't sure how, because obviously we only just got this trailer, so I don't know how the wheel, like how many wheels it can fit and whatnot. So we put all the strums, and we actually used the little plastic lips that they came with in the boxes, trying to kind of save them from just smashing together. But we can fit 6 10.5s, so 6 265s, you know, 10.5-inch drums, and then one GDRD in the middle, and it's like perfect, it's like real tight. So yeah, we're good here, everything, we're not going anywhere, so we can, yeah, that trailer is done, ready to go, that car is good. Yeah, unsure if we'll even need it or use it this weekend. It's simply there, we'll have it on show outside our pit and stuff like that. People can come have a look at it, sit in it or whatever. So yeah, if you guys are coming along, make sure you do come check it out. Show Steph some love for her car, and yeah, it's good. But we're gonna, Karen, we do have my car loaded up now, so we're gonna, we can load the rest of the tyres. I don't know how many we've got left. I've got some rims that I need to put tyres on tomorrow at some stage or somewhere along the line before the weekend. But we've got a few here, so we're gonna try and fill one rack, maybe not 2 racks, just because it kind of, we won't have 2 full racks, so we'll just use one decent full rack at the front, and yeah, it should be good. But yeah, we're gonna go get some tyre because we're hungry, and we need to go get some BP 98 to mix with our E100. So yeah, we're gonna go do that while we're out, and then yeah, we'll be back in a minute. Oh, we just had our bloody tie, and went and got some gas, so we're gonna grab some BP 98 so we can fill up the rest of these the drums. So we like kind of fill it up to about 17 litres or so, and then we just kind of top it up with 3 litres or so of 98 to make it E85 or close enough. We do run the Link ECU or the Link Flex Fuel, so we have that in our car as well, which is this part here, which does a it like, yeah, it does a, it's like ethanol content sensor, so it can tell the motor what percent ethanol is in the fuel tank. So that's all good. But yeah, got all the bits out on the bloody bench because we got these boxes that we're gonna fill and make sure that we've got everything we need. And yeah, bang these ones on the tyre rack as well. Alright, I am a sweaty mess because I've been changing tyres and it's fucking hard work. But massive thanks to Steph. She has been on the mission kind of getting our booth, our I guess merch booth, ready for the weekend. So yeah, she managed to sort out this sign. So please, if you guys are coming to Mad Mike Summer Bash, please come by and have a look. Posters are free. You know, support us because it goes a long way. We've got some big plans next year, so we want to really, you know, build up and keep going. So yeah, please give us some support. We won't have an FBOS machine, but we do have a way that you can order it through our website if need be. But please, if you can, just bring cash, makes it a lot easier. But yeah, she's been pumping this out, and like heaps of other little things that she's got sorted, and everything's in like, got little trays, and she's got like rubber bands for everyone to have their posters with, and you know, roll their posters up with and stuff like that. So yeah, massive thanks to Steph, obviously keeping us going, and she just spent a whole lot of money on groceries so we can fucking eat for the weekend. So yeah, it's sick. So yeah, we're just gonna carry on now. We're gonna just load up both racks because I'm thinking, well, I've got a full tank of gas and 100 litres, so we might as well just take as many tyres as we can, because if we do get knocked out of the comp, we might as well just keep driving as much as possible, you know. There is a lot of track time there, so yeah, I guess we might as well just go be prepared and just kind of let it eat. I'm normally like really conservative at track days. Want to not use many tyres and stuff, or if I can get many laps and stuff, more laps or whatever. But I think this weekend I'm just going to go hard, because I think this is going to be the last time we drive for a little while, well, especially my car. So yeah, might as well go give it a hell and yeah, see how we get on. But yeah, we'll carry on. It's getting late, so we do want to all get home. But yeah, we'll just smash this out and fuck, the van's loaded. Grant's done a mean job there. The van's fully loaded with everything we need. Bloody legend. So I don't think there's much left really. So maybe we might take a bit of car care stuff in case I go in the dirt and it needs a good bit of wash. So yeah, fuck, I think we're nearly there. Let's we'll carry on, get these tyres up on the rack, and I think we're done. So love it. Pretty sure we're sorted for everything. Grant's going to grab a few consumables tomorrow from his work, just because I'll forget. And but yeah, I think we should be good. Hopefully Russell can make it. I believe his car's going on the dyno tomorrow, which is like crazy. Which tomorrow's Thursday, and the comp is on, well, qualifying's on Friday. So I really hope that they can make it. I would like to give them a hand tomorrow night, but I'm going to be at work. So it's been a crazy week, but I think we've got there in the end. Massive thanks to everyone that's been given a hand lately. Steph, Grant, Leo, Marsh, Bailey, Nick, Dana, Russell, getting me out on track really. I know everyone kind of takes a lot of time out of their own day to make this happen for me, so I really appreciate it. We're going to go away, have a good weekend. Mac and the boys are going to be down from Collective Garage as well, so that's going to be cool to have them there. And I just really hope that, like, the main goal this weekend, I think, like, obviously is just to have fun or whatever, but if we can qualify in that top 16, which is crazy because there's like so many good drivers, I think I'll be happy if we can just kind of break into that comp. If we can't, hey, we'll just go bomb laps, It's going to be cool. There's going to be a whole bunch of drivers that are there, and good drivers, and everyone will be good fun to drive with. So yeah, looking forward to it. It's going to be good. So yeah, again, please, if you are coming to Mad Mike Summer Bash, come check out our pit. Come say hi, grab a poster, grab some merch if you can, and just kind of support the cause, because we've got some big things in the pipeline hopefully for next year, and it all just comes down to funds. So yeah, we'll do our best, and hopefully we can see you guys all there. Thanks heaps for watching. Please make sure you do like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.